The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach Motorhome Camper isn't just transportation, it's a statement. A statement that says, luxury doesn't stop when the road begins. The moment you lay eyes on it, you know this isn't your average RV. Its towering stance, flawless body lines, and polished stainless steel finish reflect the sunlight like a piece of rolling art. The front end carries that signature Prevost presence, powerful yet elegant, while subtle chrome detailing reminds you that this is handcrafted excellence on wheels. Step inside, and you enter a world where every inch has been designed for the ultimate travel experience. The lounge greets you with deep leather seating that hugs you in comfort, paired with panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. The ambient LED lighting, customizable to your mood, wraps the cabin in a warm glow whether you're enjoying a sunrise breakfast or a midnight conversation. The floors are hand-laid with premium materials, and every surface feels like it belongs in a luxury penthouse rather than a motorhome. The galley kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and artisan cabinetry that closes with a soft whisper. The countertops are finished in polished stone, and there's a wine cooler tucked neatly into the design for those evenings when the open road deserves a toast. Move further in, and the bedroom reveals itself like a private sanctuary. A king-size bed with a premium mattress ensures every night's rest feels like a retreat, while the walls are finished in hand-selected veneers and subtle accent lighting. The wardrobe space is generous, accommodating everything from casual travel gear to formal evening wear. The master bathroom is a spa on wheels, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and fixtures that rival the most exclusive hotels. Powering this masterpiece is a robust diesel engine engineered to conquer miles with ease, delivering a drive that's smooth, quiet, and commanding. Advanced suspension systems absorb the imperfections of the road, while cutting-edge driver assist technology makes navigating this luxury giant effortless. From mountain passes to coastal highways, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach moves with confidence and grace. And it's not just about comfort, it's about independence. With advanced solar power integration, massive battery reserves, and a state-of-the-art water purification system, this coach is built to take you off the grid without sacrificing a single amenity. You're not just traveling, you're living anywhere you want, without limits. If you love exploring without limits, this is the motorhome that will make you never want to come home, because with the Prevost Liberty Coach, you already are. And if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of travel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more incredible motorhome reviews.